I am running way behind, guys, and here I did crock pot and ready-made stuff so I wouldn't be in a rush, and I'm still in a rush. I should have been at the town over at 4 o'clock. It's 4:30. I upped the time to 5. We're trying to meet our friends down there, but she just assured me it's cool. We're running slow too. But anywho, I wanted to share this with you guys. I picked these up at Winko's. Now, I'm from the South, okay? You need to make your own homemade potato salad and your own homemade noodle salad, okay? But in a pinch, this is what you do. You guys, this brand, I'd never had it before. I always get the one at Walmart, which I'm not really partial to, but it's easy. But I grabbed these at Winco. This brand is so stinking good, guys. It's almost as good as homemade can be. This is as close to homemade as I've come across in a long time, and I think it's because it's that deviled eggs, but it says flavor of deviled eggs, hence the fakeness. But this is pretty good, guys. Are y'all familiar with this brand? And this one, the dressing is so good on this macaroni salad. It's really, really good. Then in a pinch, I had never got this little pound cake before. I picked this up at the 99-cent only. I don't think I've picked... No, yes, I have, because I've used it for strawberry shortcake. But I hadn't picked it up in a long time, and I wanted to have some pound cake for the chocolate fountain. And this turned out pretty okay. It's really sweet. It's good. It's a little dry. I don't know if that's because it's from the 99-cent only or just the brand itself. I like a pound cake that's a little denser, a little moisture, thicker. But this is okay in a pinch. And speaking of chocolate fountains, I went ahead and made some banana and maraschino cherry pinwheels. I need to put these in the fridge. I hope they're not black and disgusting. I mean, we're going to cover them in chocolate, but I don't want them to be ugly. Then I got some salted pretzels. I have a whole bunch more, but I'm not going to overload the tray because I have a huge variety of stuff to dip. But I got some pretzels. Here's the pound cake cut in nice big chunks. This is little dude's favorite thing to dunk in chocolate. So I got that. I have pineapples, strawberries, and grapes in the fridge, diced up and ready to pierce with toothpicks. I got the chocolate in the fountain. I went ahead and tinted the fountain because I don't want any kookaburras and nasty things, dust, random cat hair. Ugh. Although kitty cat is not allowed in my kitchen or near my kitchen, you know, stuff be floating around. So I covered this up. It was working as of this morning. So I'm just going to have to turn the heat on when we get back. You have to heat it for 15 minutes and then let it flow. And I tested it. Y'all can tell that little sucker was trying to flow. But there's that. In here in the Crocky Pooties, I have cheese for nachos. I have my Rotel and tomato sauce meatballs and my barbecue little Moki Mokis. I currently have them on low. I'm going to have Big Dude turn on the, turn them up on medium the closer it is we are getting to home. And then here I have, don't judge me, some Hawaiian Punch for those that don't want to drink soda. And that's it so far. You guys, I'm still in my jammies. It's friggin' 4:30. I need to get upstairs. I'm going to throw together a little butterfly something, help little dude zip up and get him all situated. And then I'm going to go wash my face because I'm getting a little hot rushing around. We're going to head over to the next town over. It's only like 10 minutes away. Hopefully there's parking. It's really overcast. It's supposed to rain tonight, so I don't know what the crowd's going to be like. But it don't matter. We're going to do this thing. So keeping it simple, I got these flouncy little earrings out because I think they match the colors on the wing a little bit. Little sparkle, sparkle. I got my fake bun on up in here because it is Halloween. And what's more fitting for a butterfly than a butterfly perfume? I have a Mariah Carey here. I have the pink dolly. The purple dolly. And one of my favorite Bath & Body Works, butterfly. Which shall I use? I decided on the Mariah. The others are more suited for sunny days. It ain't sunny. One of them is too musky. And the day's already kind of gloomy. But this one is perfect. I'm going to walk around a little bit and it'll air off of me some. I know some of y'all be like, dang, Mel. I'm going to put on some lipstick. I know. After yesterday, I need something on my face. I'm all pale. I'm always pale. But with the wings and the top and everything, I need some color on my face. Went with neutral and shimmery. Guys, I swear I want to do my whole face now. But nah, it's time to go. Forgive the state of the room, guys. You guys have been with me the last few days. Y'all know the shenanigans that we have been having going on up in Casa Perez. But very simple. This lilac thrifted top, my black leggings, and my little thrifted wings. And I picked the purple top because there's just a little bit of purple in the wings. But that's it. We made it, guys, and the rain has stopped. So we're gonna get in line for this trunk or treat. And get our block party on. Look at how cute!
Thank you.
Thank you. You're so pretty. Oh, look at you. I love it. Oh, don't do it. Where's Alicia? Yes, I need to see the boogie. The boogie oogie. Crazy in a black light. Look at the little doggy. How cute. It's almost the end of the road for Scare on the Square. Lovely. A lot of fun. People really get into the spirit out here. Adults alike. I love it. But I wanted these guys to show off their costumes, so we've been kind of walking around. But they're about to shut down. We're gonna head home, turn these crock pots up on high, and see if we can't get ourselves an appetite. We stopped and got a little bit of pizza just for the meantime, to get out of the rain. Actually, it had started raining. So here is the setup. Here is the macaroni salad, the potato salad. I got some little banana and maraschino cherry pinwheels, some strawberries and some pineapples back there, marshmallows, pound cake, chips and pretzels for the dipping in the chocolate right here. I have that warming up. I was worried the food wasn't going to be ready by the time we got here. The cheese was boiling. So there's a cheese for nachos. Here's my meatballs all swelled up. Those are beyond ready. And my little weenies. And that's the little setup. I hate that it's this close to the sink, but it is what it is. And that is our little buffet. I got some dogs going for the boys in case they want some. But right now we're going to go out and play. What are we going to go out and play?
Michael Myers challenge.
Who can escape Michael Myers? This thing is motion activated. Yeah, but I had to turn it off because it's like really loud and annoying. But here's the decorations. Let's pan real quick because the kids are ready to go and do the Michael Myers thing. But I didn't do much. I just did a lot of webs and spiders. Lots of this black lacy stuff all around in here. The living room, the scariest feature is Mr. Rich. Hi! You're going to make your YouTube debut! Rich and Edgar. Okay, we're multi-purposing Edgar this year. And I just put up this bloody handprint tarp that we found at Black Friday. I put some few little lights in the fireplace. There's some skulls in there. I'll get a little closer. Scattered bones. There's Frederick. I named him Frederick. Don't ask me why. But I just kind of decorated here and there and here and there with skulls and things. Oh, that would be a neat picture. Screenshot. There's Frederick up close. I just kind of threw some stuff together. Now we're going to get ready to find something to watch, work up an appetite, and have these kids chase us around as if though we're trying to run away from Miguel Myers. So we decided against Michael Myers. Look who's going to be chasing us. And then I have another one upstairs. We're going to be chased by two. Okay, guys. We have to make it in the door. If we don't, you fake get us. Go. Okay, who's next?
I don't know. What always happens in the movie that y'all didn't do?
Didn't fall.
You didn't fall and sprain your ankle.
No, but I had the key upside down. And go. No, wait.
He got me. Stab me in the back. My door was open. I'm gonna regret this in the morning. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, yeah, that's the trick. You gotta get the key out because otherwise.
I left the key in the hole, so they would have came in and butchered us all. I'm a loser.
One, go, top lock.
The lock was upside down.
I know you're just acting. I know you're just acting.
You wanna run? You don't wanna run? You just wanna be a chaser? Okay. Oh, wait, you gotta lock it. You gotta lock it. You gotta lock it.
I'm gonna be honest, Caleb, that was really fun.
Yeah. A little faster than whatever y'all were doing. A little faster. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
One down.
You got me. 3, 2, 1, go. I got the keys this time. Oh. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah,
Got
I
you.
got stuck.
Got you! Ah, you did! Open the door!
I got stuck.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
It's getting upside down. Bro,
You are dead. Finish him. Finish
it keeps getting stuck.
Lesson.
Every time I get it, there's a technical difficulty.
It's almost 1 in the morning. Martin had to come out and do some dirty business. He doesn't like to go number 2 inside. TMI, sorry. He goes up here on this little hill. But it's drizzling and foggy. And I think it's because of the fog and the drizzle that it looks way earlier than 1 a.m. Usually it's pitch stinking black. But y'all see what I mean? It's 1 a.m. guys. And it's so light out here. It's cooled down though. Tomorrow's supposed to be super chilled. But I'm looking forward to it. I was up. My friends left an hour ago maybe. And I started cleaning. Now the house looks as if though there was no food anywhere. I have half a gallon of fruit punch sitting out on the counter. But everything's been put away and feels good. Now I'm going to sit and watch Anaconda. I know. Real good cinema. I don't want to leave the fuzzball out here too long though. So I'm going to wait for him to finish his dirty business. And then we're going back in. But it was a really nice time. This whole weekend was just nice. And I love that the weather gave us a break today. It was sprinkling on the way to Scare on the Square. And then it just stopped. Now it's starting to pick up. But everybody should be home and safe. As y'all can see, he's done with his dirty business. So I'm about to go back in. But thanks guys for hanging out. I know I've been posting a whole lot in the last few days, but thanks for watching and commenting and visiting with me. And until my next go around, I love y'all bunches. Bye.